Hi, this is Brian McCabe with McCabe Tech LLC. Going to replace the LCD on HP 15-R263DX. It's D as in David. Revision 2213-120. Pretty simple repair. I got the replacement LCD from laptopscreen.com, and it's great because they sometimes offer to give you a refund of a different amount. This one happened to be $20 if you create a video showing how to replace the part. So let's get to it. It's a pretty easy repair. You're going to remove the bezel here, and it just pops out. I'm going to try to do this facing away here. You may have to flex it just a bit to get it started. And of course, let me remove the battery first. That's very important. It was shut down already. Remove the battery. And this does just pop out. Flex it just a hair. You can reach in under there. It is pretty flexible. And notice I didn't use any tools or anything like that. Just held on with some clips. And again, this is a really easy repair. Same for down at the bottom here. You don't need any tools. Now this is actually the replacement screen already installed. I just did that to make sure everything was good with it. If you open it up all the way, it makes it easier to get those bottom clips off. So just set that aside. So now, let's see, make sure the cables are there. There's four screws. You're just going to remove those. Again, a really easy repair. And unlike some other laptop models, you don't need to disassemble the whole laptop just to replace the LCD. And it's interesting, there's not a glass in front of this. So next step is you're going to, so this your LCD is loose now. Next step, you're going to close so it falls out. There's the laptop. That will fall down. And then down here, let's get in, zoomed in there. That's where the cable connects. And it does pop out away. And there's a piece of tape that holds it on, a sticker I should say, with some information. It's got a QR code on it. Peel that back, and again this just pops straight out. There's no clips or anything holding that in, just the tape after it's installed. So you would get your replacement part, set it down, and again this slides right in, and then just replace that tape. Display comes up. There are little nubs or whatever you want to call them to help align things, but again, this is such an easy repair. And you're just going to reinstall your 4 Phillips screws. One hand just to help, like I say, this does have the little points so you can line it up better, but with these kind of things I always do a one corner and then the opposite corner. Just helps you get things square. And then I'll do the third corner. Fourth corner. Well, there was a plastic covering on this. I removed that, of course, after I got it installed. So here's our front bezel again. And again, open your laptop as much as possible. I start at the top to make sure it's aligned, and you'll see the webcam hole, and everything just clicks right back in. Kind of go down to the bottom here to make sure those clip in. and you'll know. You'll know when you've got everything clipped in correctly. And the bottom there, it is pretty flexible. So, there you go. Kind of shut the laptop maybe 3/4 of the way, and you can clip that back together. Once I've got all those, that all looks good. Close it up, and I can hear a couple more clips there. I'm going to reinstall the battery. And let's power it up and see what she looks like. Luckily I'd charged the battery before I started this, so and we're powering on. And there we go. Lovely replacement LCD from laptopscreen.com. Laptopscreen.com. And there we have it. Lovely display there. Thanks for watching.